Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of one of Europe's most beloved garden birds, the blue tit. With its vibrant blue and yellow plumage, blue tit is a delightful sight in any garden or woodland. This bird is easily recognizable by its bright blue crown, wings, and tail, coupled with a yellow underbelly. These tiny birds are only about 12 centimeters long, but they pack a lot of character into that small size. Blue tits are known for their acrobatic skills. They can often be seen hanging upside down as they forage for insects, spiders, and seeds. These birds are also quite social, often seen in small flocks outside of the breeding season. Their cheerful songs and calls add a pleasant soundtrack to any outdoor setting. If you want to attract blue tits to your garden, a bird feeder with peanuts or sunflower seeds is a great way to start. Blue tits are not just beautiful but also beneficial for the environment, acting as natural pest controllers and pollinators. These birds are also quite social, often seen in small flocks outside of the breeding season. Their cheerful songs and calls add a pleasant soundtrack to any outdoor setting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to discover more amazing birds and wildlife.